Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily buy a Suica card at Narita Airport. So first is head to the JR East Station. After customs, follow signs for train to city to reach the underground JR East Narita Airport Station. And next, of course, you're going to need to spot the Suica vending machines. Look for green or pink framed machines labeled Welcome Suica or Suica by a no Suica or charge. They're typically near ticket gates. So once you found a Suica vending machine, start by selecting a language and card type. On screen, choose English or your preferred language, then tap Adult Welcome Suica or Adult Suica. And from there, just accept the terms. Then next is insert the cash and receive the card. Feed in the cash. You can choose options like 1,000 yen, 2,000 yen, and more. 500 yen goes toward a refundable deposit. The rest is for the fares. The machine will dispense both your card and a receipt or reference slip. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!